Hey there! So, if you're feeling the pinch on storage thanks to Genshin Impact taking up more room than expected, no worries. Let's shuffle it to another drive. Here's the play-by-play. Start by right-clicking on Genshin Impact shortcut on your desktop. Then hit up Open File Location. Jump back a folder by right-clicking the arrow icon in the top sidebar. Now right-click on Genshin Impact folder and give it a little cut with the cut option in the context menu. Next, head over to the drive where you want the game to set up shop, paste it there. Then click Continue to kick off the move. Let the game files make their way to the new location. Once it's done, crack open that Genshin Impact folder. Scroll down until you spot the launcher. Double-click on it and say yes when prompted. And there you have it. Genshin Impact is now rocking on a different drive. If this guide was your go-to, show some love by smashing that like button. And for more Genshin Impact wisdom, hit subscribe. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.